We'll guide you through how to remove profile photo in WhatsApp Business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to update or remove their profile photo for privacy or branding reasons. To begin this tutorial, open your phone, and in this example, I am using an Android device. Make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp Business before starting this process. If you have not installed it yet, open the Play Store on your phone. After that, tap the search icon to begin searching for the application. Then tap the search column at the top of the screen so you can type the app name. Type WhatsApp Business in the search bar to find the official application. When the result appears, you can download and install it if it is not already on your device. Since I have already installed the application, I will return to the main menu of my phone. Now open WhatsApp Business to continue the tutorial. On the main page, you will see 4 menus displayed at the bottom of the screen. They are chats, calls, updates, and tools. To remove the profile photo, tap the More icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Settings from the list of options that appears. Various settings options will be displayed on your screen. Tap your profile name at the top section to access your profile information. If you tap the cover photo, you will be directed to change the cover image instead. If you tap the profile picture, you will see the image more clearly in full view. The icon you need to tap is the camera icon located at the bottom right of the profile photo. After tapping it, 3 options will appear, namely Camera, Gallery, and Avatar. To remove the current profile photo, tap the trash icon on the right side of the screen. Confirm the action if a confirmation message appears. You will see that the profile photo in WhatsApp Business has been successfully removed from your account. Your profile will now display the default profile icon provided by WhatsApp instead of your previous photo. This default image will remain until you upload a new profile picture again. You can repeat the same steps anytime if you decide to update or change your profile photo in the future.